So check out this really cool garden sprayer the company sent me to try out. So I've been using it for the past few weeks. Really love it. It makes it so convenient to water. It has this really nice large bag here. You just fill it up with water, 2.1 gallons. Fill it up there, and then has a hose, this electric wand right here. Just press the button to turn it on. And that makes it super convenient to water your plants. I use it for that mainly. You could use it for spraying like pest control or whatever you want to spray, but I like it for just watering my plants, misting just like this. So you can see it's super convenient. That nice long wand is nice too. You can reach up high, in deep. Has 2 power levels here. I've been using this for a couple of weeks and it hasn't run out of batteries yet, so the battery lasts quite a long time. And then you can just charge it up with the USB-C right there. It does have a couple of other different nozzles, which I haven't tried yet. One is more like a shower. I like this misting one here. You can adjust it as well to make it stream as well. But, you know, you just use it for watering just like this. But here you can adjust it so it's a sharp stream, so you can water farther away like that. So that is super cool. And then, has a shoulder strap, which is really nice. So you can carry it around on your shoulder wherever you want. Super portable. So yeah, really nice watering spray container here. If you're in need of one, definitely check this out.